So yesterday we we learned how to draw some letters using 1-point perspective. So for today's Rewind Wednesday enrichment, you guys are going to do your name. So I'm going to do Bentley. So this is when I'm going to put my horizon line up higher because I need all this space to put my name, right? So when you do it this way, you kind of are running out of space. So I need all this space. I want to do my name, and I'm going to make it, kind of big. So first thing I'm going to do is, so Bentley is B-E-N-T-L-E-Y. So the middle letter is a T. So I know I want my T right here. So if I go for the middle first, then hopefully everything's going to fit. I'm not going to start drawing my lines to the point yet until I get all the letters drawn. So might have been a little too big when I made these. My Y is going to be kind of small. All right, N. Maybe I'll make my N a little smaller here. And if you guys want to, kind of turn these around, I'm just kind of making mine so that it's all looks like one word all together. If you want to kind of, turn them different ways, you can do that. That's fine. We're just having fun. I'm working on top of a piece of cardboard, so it's making my lines a little bumpy. And almost ran out of room for my B. Okay, and I think in hindsight, I kind of made my T a little big. That's kind of why everybody else is a little too small, but that's fine. So I'm just gonna start here. I'll start with my T. Again, lines to the point. Okay, now this is directly under the dot, so you're not seeing either one of these sides. So I really am only gonna have the top of this T. All right, let's go for my L. I'm making it about the same thickness. Now, the reason I'm not drawing this line all the way, because I know I'm going to have to erase it anyway. As long as your ruler is lined up in the right position, you don't have to draw that all the way. Look, I'm going to cross over my T if I do that, right? So I'm just going a little part of the way. Again, go back to my original, do that back line there, go up to my top. These lines are parallel to the front, and then there is my back line there. There's my L. Do my E. Made my E a little too big, I think. Reel that in. Not that one, not that one. This one. This one. Not that one, not that. Okay. Go back up to the top. Here's another one. And then this guy. And there we go. There's my E. Now, if you guys come to class today, I'll have my document camera set up. So if there's, now here's where your Y gets a little interesting. Okay, I'm gonna go out, this is my, go back up to your original line, like I said, slide it over. And then top is a little slanted. So this one gets a little complicated. If you just remember, this original line from your Y is just going to be parallel to that, right? Just like this original line, that was parallel, okay? I think, oh, that's where I screwed up. That's a corner that should be going to the point. I knew that looked funky. Okay. How long is this guy? Oh, it's only 5 minutes. I can do the rest. Okay, again, every corner, and I'm not going all the way because I know it's going there anyway. That doesn't show. That doesn't show. Oh, yep, that shows a little bit. Go back to my original. That's a vertical line. And then my vertical line here. Whoa, why does that look weird? Oh, that's supposed to go all the way up. Sorry. Okay, there's my N. Another E. I got 2 E's in my name. The E has a lot of corners that are going to go to the point. Like I said, I'm not drawing over my N, knowing that I'm going to have to erase it anyway. Saving myself some time. Okay, so see I drew all my lines going to the point. Now I go back to this original, slide it back. Here's my original, slide it back. Another original, slide it back. And this guy has got one little guy right there. Okay, there's my E. Now, curved letters are a little interesting. You're still going to go to any little corner that you have. Okay, and draw a line to the point. And then you're just going to have to, like, see, this is our original line. I'm just going to kind of go parallel to it. That's not something you can draw with a ruler, right? Okay, there you go. Bentley for the win. So practice your name. And if there's a letter that you don't know how to draw, like I said, I've got my document camera set up. I can talk you guys through it. All right, let's get started.